Hey, this is Jenny Jones, wanting to give you another digital hack that I was able to put together and wanted to be able to share with you here. As you know, here we try to help you put together digital hacks, digital growth hacks to allow you to grow your business. And make sure you subscribe and or hit the notification button, because I'm always coming out with new hacks. And make sure you have an opportunity to join our VIP list. So we have a lot of things coming. I want to make sure that those who have started with me early on, you get an opportunity to get on a VIP. So what I have here in front of you is a tool called Topic Mojo. Now, anyone that's been in digital media for at least a day knows who Topic Mojo is and or the tool that they use. Topic Mojo is a tool that is used to try to find the trending topic of the day. You try to see what's trending, right? What is trending, obviously. And you can look and see some of the things that happen on Saturday. A lot of those things when it comes to football are trending, right? You can collapse all and you can go and see what are some of the biggest things that are trending on this day. So one of the things I like to do is when I'm trying to look for if I want to put out a YouTube video or if I want to generate traffic to a particular product and or class or certification that I'm always conducting, I always try to start with Topic Mojo because it gets my ideas, my juices flowing, right? And so what I did here is I went and you can go and search of all these different areas. What you do is when I go to model and I just want to do a quick search, I just did it already because I wanted to make sure that I'd have enough content to be able to share with you. And this one I did on retirement. And I did it 9 minutes ago. And I only wanted YouTube videos because that's what the target area I was trying to get to. I may share in another video of what some of the strengths and weaknesses of all the different platforms, but YouTube is one that YouTube is thirsty right now for new content, right? And just as because they're trying to compete with TikTok, and they've always been a growing platform, but now they have a little competition as well. So they compete for two reasons. One, they need to have enough content to show enough ads over, right? If people are still advertising on YouTube, they need to have content that is relevant. So that's one way. Two, they need to have content in their repository so people would stay on YouTube a lot longer. So YouTube is always looking and always thirsty for new videos. They have to be relevant and they're very keyword specific and very SEO driven when it comes to that. So search engine optimization. So I picked retirement here, and I'm gonna show you one half of the tool, and then I'm gonna show you the other half of the other tool that I am using as well. So what I did was I searched on retirement, bring that up here, and this gives us, I mean, my screen, the way it's set up, I'm only getting half of what I can see here, but what I did is it pulled all the videos right now that have the trend word retirement or have the keyword retirement in it, and it gives me the rolling average of the searches for it, search volume, right? And so this is how it's trending. This is always good. But what I did was I went and I took this video, this is the most recent one that has retirement in it, and it was done 14 days ago. Right. And so you have a few more here. They were done some time ago. This was over a month ago. That was over a month ago. This was 17 days ago. Right. I'll probably come back and look at this one as well and see what's going on there. But I just took this one. This guy's talking about the 4% rule. Is it dead? How can I retire? And what I did was I got the URL and I took it and put it into another tool. Now, let me show you what the other tool did. Right. Because there's some things you can do when you go there. You can see some things. But if you want to drill down deeper and see what the juice was about this and how it got over 9,000 views in 14 days, it's a lot of views in 14 days. No, he actually got 9,000 likes, but he had 106,000 views in 14 days. It's a lot of views in 14 days. So let me show you the other tool that I use to drill down further and try to hack on the other side. All right, this is a tool that I'm using that's currently available now on AppSumo. It's called Biteplay, and it's a tool that's used for the YouTube video research, What I love about this tool is it gives you two pieces, right? It gives you the piece to help you set up and structure your YouTube ads. It tells you what channels to try to run your ads over. YouTube advertising is very, very easy to do. You just got to have do a lot of key research and SEO optimization. And there's some other tools I want to show you as we move along. And as you subscribe, I want to be able to tell you some of the other tools that I use to kind of help me rank towards the top when I'm doing my research. So this is even though it's in beta, it's still pretty good. You put in video info, and this was the YouTube video that I searched for, and this is what it brought me back. So what it is, it gives me the analytics, right? The SERP analytics on this particular video, right? We already said it had 9,000. We already said it had 9,500 likes, at 122,000 views, right? In 14 days. All right. So what we see here is we can go in and we can actually see and we click on tagged keywords, and what we did is we're able to find a tag keyword is a 4% rule, which is 15. The number one position for this keyword is 4% rule is dead. How can I retire 9 retirement scenarios? I mean, if I wanted to completely just ethically hack it, I can create the same search there because it's a number one. He's in the number one position when this keyword is. I can use that same search there and use the same search rule there, right? Or I could see the actual video description. What did he put in the description? One thing I liked what he did, and to you it may seem like a lot, but for video description, this is the metadata pretty much, or the information that your video is, that the search engine is running against to make your video display. And what he does, he has one, two, three, four, five. He has about 5 or 6 paragraphs just of different keywords here, making sure he doesn't miss anything. This is why the video is ranking so high, because he has everything. He has his hashtags. Hashtag FIRE is a new term that they're using in a retirement realm. How to retire. He's using Bitcoin, even though this may or may not have anything to do with Bitcoin. He's using a lot of Bitcoin here, a lot of description. These are hot things. This is the reason why this video is getting so many views. And that's under the description, right? But let's see his video tags, right? These are the tags that he's using inside his video. And so he's using a lot of tags: Robinhood, stock options, financial planning, financial freedom. That's all he's doing, is he's loading it up with all those tags. And that's how he's able to do that. And so now when I go back and I look at my topic Mojo, I can actually see this is what the same video is doing. I just did a deeper dive into it so you can take a look and see how you can actually hack this video and see what he's using, and then create your same topic or your same discussion around the same thing, and get some traffic from there. And so that's one of the things. That's just another hack using 2 of the different tools, Topic Mojo and Biteplay, which is currently now available. If you want to take a look at Biteplay, looking at it in the description, you should be able to get a link to that. I mean, sure, it's enough to buy me a cup of coffee, but it does inspire me to do more hack videos like this if you continue to do that. And please like and subscribe as well. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.